The auto stock and target has been enhanced to now analyze if your target is now encapsulated in a solid body which is bigger than it. So in this part here we have our stock and we have our target. We also have a coordinate system named coordinate system. In our CAM settings, we have our automatic CAM part set up to define a stock and definition of target. We also have create Mac1 position 1 with a CAD coordsys with the name of coordsys. Now if I make a new milling part, and we accept, we can now see that we auto selected the coordinate system and that the stock automatically selected the body, which was larger than the second body, and the target was now auto-defined to be the smaller body inside of it. This option is only working when there are two bodies inside of your design model and the one body is fully inside of the second body.